A woman in prison for plotting the murder of her ex-boyfriend wants the court to reduce her 28-year sentence. Charlene Childers was charged with manslaughter for the 2018 deaths of Josh Niles and Amber Washburn in Sodus. Ryan Hermanit spoke with a friend of one of the victims in this high-profile case, but it's been nearly a decade. Ryan, what's prompted this latest development?
Teresa, so far Charlene Childers has spent the past 7 years in prison for her connection to those murders. Tonight I spoke with a close friend of Amber Washburn, the wife of Childers' ex-boyfriend, who says resentencing Childers would be a step backwards in justice.
You should be held accountable for your actions, and if you're let free early, what is that doing to her family?
Josh Niles and Amber Washburn were killed in their driveway in Sodus back in October of 2018. Childers admitted to plotting the murder of Niles, her ex-boyfriend, shortly after, in exchange for a plea deal. Childers' husband, Timothy Dean, drove from Texas to New York to carry out the plan, shot Niles, and then shot Washburn, who was a witness. Washburn's childhood friend, Samantha Stoutinger, was devastated when she learned what happened.
My initial thought was just pure shock. Like, I could not process at first what was going on. It was just like everything kind of got like a tunnel vision. She's just such an amazing soul, gone way too soon.
Dean was sentenced to life in prison without parole, while Childers pled guilty to manslaughter and was sentenced to 28 years in prison. According to the Wayne County DA's office, Childers applied for resentencing consideration through New York's Domestic Violence Survivors Justice Act. It allows a person convicted of a crime to seek resentencing by showing the court their abuse was a, quote, significant contributing factor to their offense.
If that was the case, why didn't you say it when you first got charged? She's obviously a huge manipulator. Anyone that can convince someone else to do something for them is really huge on manipulation.
Stoutinger believes Childers did not receive a long enough sentence as it is and is urging prosecutors to
dig deep and understand that the mental state of someone who can put something like this together it's not someone you should let go.
Now, we also heard from Niles' sister, Nicole Gunkel. Although she did not want to be on camera tonight, she shared with me in part, quote, the point is she plotted his murder and sent somebody else to execute it. She's an evil person and she's exactly where she needs to be, end quote. Childers is due in court Friday morning. Wayne County District Attorney Christine Callanan tells me they expect to hear additional testimony, and because of that, a decision will not be reached this week. Teresa.
All right, Ryan, thank you for bringing us up to date on this story.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 On Demand, plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.